So let's make coffee with my new coffee maker. It's a Krups KM7000, I think. It's automatic, just set the cups, grinds it for you, and brews coffee like every other coffee maker. This one is better. So the water is already in place, beans are already on top popper. That's where the beans go in. Smell great. Water goes in here. I selected for 8 cups, so let's make it work. So here where the settings are, let's make it strength being the strongest one. There's 3 options. Let's make the strongest one. The cups, we'll change it to 8 as I said. Now that's about it. You can also select to filter the water, and once you're ready you start it to on. In order to use grinder, you open this part until it clicks. I already have the filter in. Filter and press on. And we are done. I should be using different filters, or I'm using the old school, so that's one of the issues, but that doesn't stop me from making this coffee. That's it. Coffee maker is on. Let's wait for our first pot of coffee. And that's it. The coffee is done and ready for me to enjoy. And this is the video how simple it is to make a coffee with the Krups KM7000 coffee maker. That's it. Thank you very much.